Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Business Studies. Today we are going to learn finance function. The finance function is concerned with three major decision which every finance manager has to take that is investment decision, financing decision and dividend decision. So in this video, we are going to discuss what is investment decision and what are the different types of investment decision and what are the various factors that are affecting investment decision. Let's see what is investment decision. Investment decision is concerned with how the firm's funds are to be invested in various assets. Various purchases of new fixed assets like plant and machinery or land and building or opening a new branch, launching a new product line. All these required a huge amount of capital. So, the long term investment decision involves committing the finance on a long term basis on fixed assets or various projects of an organization. Okay, whether this investment decision is necessary or not. Yes, it is very much required. It is very, very important in the organization because the long term investment decision involves long term growth, large amount of funds involved, and various other risks also is there. So, how we can decide? We should plan and analyze before taking the decision. Long term growth, usually these decisions will affect long term growth because the funds invested in the long term assets are likely to yield the returns in future, not now. And large, huge amounts of fund involved in the long term process. So before deciding, we have to plan and analyze the situation. What are the various risks involved in the particular investment? So, thus, this investment or capital budgeting decision are very, very crucial for any organization since they affect the growth, profitability, and risk of the business in the long run. This long term investment decision, also call it as capital budgeting decision. Let's see short term investment decision. Short term investment decision relates to investment in current assets such as cash, stock, debtors, etc. So this short-term investment decision may also call it as working capital decision. These decisions affect the day-to-day working of a business. So these decisions affect the liquidity as well as the profitability of organization because as we know very well short term assets are more liquid but less profitable. Let's see what are the various factors that are affecting capital budgeting decision. Number 1, cash flow of the project. The inflow and outflow of cash in the business should be considered before making capital budgeting decision. Whenever a company is investing a huge amount of funds in some project, it expects some regular cash inflows from the particular project. Such cash flows should be analyzed properly before investing in the particular investment proposal. So now the project A and project B yields the estimated annual cash flow of rupees 10 lakh. But project A, within a short duration, we are getting the cash inflows. So if we are getting like that, we should select project A instead of project B. The next one, rate of return. The company should compare the rate of return expected from different investment projects Here I have given two investment project. One is 15%, another one is 20%. If two projects are having 15 percentage return and 20 percentage return with almost equal risk, normally the second one may be selected because the return is more in this particular investment. The next factor is investment criteria involved. Before investing a particular project, we have to do some calculations regarding the amount of investment or how much we are going to get the interest rate or the cash inflows and rate of return, everything. There are different capital budgeting techniques to evaluate investment proposal. Namely, we can say internal rate of return or payback period, net present value. All these are few examples. Let us recollect the various factors that are affecting investment decision. Number 1, cash flow of the project. Number 2, the rate of return, and final one is investment criteria involved. Hope you have understood what is investment decision and what is the different types of investment decision and factors that are affecting investment decision. Thank you.